Hello, today I am going to tell you how to do the wet on wet technique of fabric painting. So I have taken a cotton cloth and I fixed it on the embroidery ring. If you do not have an embroidery ring, you can fix the cloth on a writing pad, put a plastic sheet underneath and then fix the cloth on it. Now I have drawn a simple rose design with a butterfly here. Now you can draw any design that you want. Let's get started. First I will wet this cloth. This is plain water. So I'll take plain water with a brush and spread water on this cloth, not only in the design but also just around the design. So in and around the design you need to wet the cloth. So all over the design and around it, this is just plain water. This is wet. Now I am using acrylic colors and fabric colors. Both are fine. I'll use the acrylic now. Then I'll show you how to use the fabric colors also. So wet the brush, take some color and just touch on the part that you want to color. It will spread. So let the color spread around the design also. It is okay that the color goes out. Let the color go out. So when you just touch the cloth with the color, it will spread. As I said, you can use acrylic colors or fabric colors. I'm using fabric colors now. The same way, wet the brush, take some color and only on the outside edge of the petals I'm adding this color, orange color. You can do any combination so that there are two colors here. Let this color also spread. Now you can see a shade of red and orange. I'll take some red fabric color and put some more color here. So when you just touch it here, the color will spread. So I'm doing the inside of the petal with red. And the edges with some orange. This is just plain brush with water and I'm spreading it. Let it merge, let it spread outside the design. Now let's do the leaves. Take some green, fill the leaves with green, let it come out. You don't have to be very particular about the lines, the outlines. I'll take a different shade of green. This green is merging with the orange here. You need very less color when you are doing the wet on wet technique of painting. Let's take some blue. Now this butterfly part has become a little dry, so I'll wet it more. I want to make it in blue color. So the edges in blue. Wet the brush, let it spread. Let's take some brown. And merge it here. Let it get mixed with the blue. Some brown for the stem. The wet on wet part is almost over. We need to let it dry. After that, we will do some outlines with the outliner. Now this is dry, so we can do the outline. Now this is the outliner. It's called as liquid embroidery. You can either do it with this or you can use the black paint. So I'm going to do the outline for the butterfly first. So for the butterfly, you can do the outline wherever you have drawn, and also some design inside it, like this. You can do some design inside like this with the liquid embroidery. Now I'll show you how to use the paint. You need to use black paint. I'm using the thinnest brush. This is 000 brush. Here you don't have to take a wet brush. It has to be dry. So take the color and carefully do the outline like this. Wherever you have the design, do the outline on it with a dry brush. Do not wet the brush now, and do this outline only when the base color is dry. So after you do the outline, the borders and the details with black color, it will look something like this. This is the wet on wet technique of fabric painting.